Experience Experts, marketing for boutique travel destinations. Hi, it's Lynan Saperstein from the Experience Experts, a marketing and advertising agency for boutique travel destinations around the world. And today we're going to address a big lie that's out there, because a lot of hotels come to me and say, Lynan, do I need a blog on our website? And the answer is yes. It's a resounding yes. You must have a blog on your website. And the number one reason why is because Google, Bing, all the different search engines out there are scanning your website to see if it's alive. A lot of websites, when they stop adding new content, they seem dead to them. So when you're adding new blogs, fresh content every week, every month, it makes your website look alive. And actually what happens then is your SEO ranking goes higher. You're on a different page. You're going to show up in front of more visitors, more potential guests to come to your hotel. This also automatically is going to make more traffic come to your website. So more people are going to find your hotel, your resort, without actually searching directly for your hotel. They're going to be searching for the different topics on your blog. Maybe it's a local destination, a local festival, something nearby that's also going to help them want to come and stay at your hotel. So this is your hot tip for the week. Please put a blog on your website for your boutique hotel and resort. Thanks so much, guys. And if you have any more questions, put them in the comments below. And if you would like to, we'd love to have a strategy session with you. So make sure you head over to theexperienceexperts.com and schedule a session with me soon.